A warm welcome to all of you at the Organic International Buyers Meet 2026 organized in Agartala by Agriculture and Processed Food Products Export Development Authority, that is APIDA, Ministry of Commerce and Industry, in collaboration with International Federation of Organic Agriculture Movement, IFOAM-ASEA, Department of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of Tripura, and the Tripura State Organic Farming Development Agency, TSODA. You see, for any business to flourish, four factors are fundamental. Is there good transportation and connectivity, a peaceful and progressive environment, and transparent and investor-friendly business policies. And another is accommodation. Tripura has made significant progress in improving road, rail and air connectivity and internet connectivity, making the movement of goods and people easier and more efficient. At the same time, our growing tourism sector, rich agricultural and horticultural resources, unique handicrafts and handloom products, and strategic location as a gateway to the northeast and after tremendous possibilities for business due to Prime Minister's active policy. This is the important. The government of Tripura is committed to creating an ecosystem where business can invest with confidence, trade with ease and grow sustainability. I invite buyers and investors from across the country to explore the immense potential of Tripura and become partners in our journey of Big City Tripura. Let us, the buyers sellers meet, create lasting business partnerships, expand markets for our organic products, and generate greater employment and prosperity for the people of the state. Tripura is ready for business. Let us connect, collaborate and grow together.